This is so good. So, a long time ago, well, not a long time ago, at the beginning of the year, I decided I wanted to try out Wish. Because I had heard a lot of interesting things about it, and I just wanted to look on the app. So I downloaded the app, and I was looking around, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. And then I noticed there was a bunch of free items where you only have to pay for shipping. And I was like, you know what, I could probably get behind that. So I ordered a few things. And most of them have come, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open them now. I didn't get any clothing, just because I have to try clothing on. So I just got posters and I think a necklace. I will say that it said all of my items would be here by February 15th. It is February 19th. And I ordered 4 items and I only have 3. So I'm gonna start with what I'm pretty sure is a necklace. Sounds like a necklace. And let me check how much I paid for shipping. Okay, so now that I'm back on the Wish app, it has changed my arrival date to February 24th, which is really interesting. Good thing to note. In conclusion, it's probably never coming. But the necklace I got, okay, there it is. I paid $1 for this, essentially. $1 for shipping, and the necklace was free. I mean, it looks pretty similar to what the picture is. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I actually really like this. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty. Good job, Wish. I like it. I'm gonna put it on. Yeah, it's pretty cute. I mean, I don't think it goes with this outfit, but it's pretty cute. I'll wear it. All right, next I'm gonna open this poster. I feel like the only way they can mess this up is if they send me the wrong poster. Maybe. Oh, this is cute. I love this. This is so good. Let me zoom you out a little bit here. Okay, so I got this, it's like a world map poster. Oh, man. It's really curled up. It's gonna have to be flattened out. But I think this is adorable. It's not really like poster material, it's more papery, but honestly, that's like kind of my style, so I'm into it. This is nice. Let me see how much I paid for that one. Okay, so I paid $2 of shipping for this, and then, oh, this is upside down. But other than that, it said it was free. So I think $2 for this is a pretty good deal. It's like really big, and it says National Geographic. I wonder how realistic that is, but all right, Wish, good on you, number 2. Okay, my last one, I have a feeling I know which one this is. But let me open it up first. Oh, okay, it's ripped. Yeah, okay, this is one of those scratch off maps where you can scratch where you've been. I got one for one of my friends a while ago, and I really liked it, so I decided to get myself one. It's really bent. Ooh, it smells weird. It smells like old people. The sides, I'm not sure if you can see here, but it's like kind of ripped in places. Not the best quality, but then again, it was free. I think I paid $2 shipping for this. Whatever, you know, you live and you learn. 2 out of 3 isn't bad. But that being said, I still haven't gotten my 4th item, even though now it says it's arriving by February 24th. There is a button on here that says, "Where's my package?" Okay, so last they know was January 11th. It was somewhere in China. So I have a feeling it's probably just never gonna come, but I'm okay with that. Do I think I'm gonna order more stuff from Wish? No, probably not. I really just like going through their like random sections because I find the weirdest stuff. And I think one of the reasons that I downloaded the app was because I was getting all those weird ads on my Facebook feed. And like it would be an ad for Wish, but the products that it was advertising they made no sense. There was like a human toaster costume and just weird stuff, and it made me laugh. So, you know, like this, I would get ads for this kind of stuff. Ooh, I've actually always really wanted to try one of these. These like head umbrellas. I don't know if I would get the rainbow or the camo though. It's a hard choice. And this, like, what is this? Silicone swimming fish hands. I don't know. What? Oh, waterproof plastic Uno cards. That's interesting. Oh, hell yeah! Look at this coat. It lights up. I kind of just want to buy that just to see if it works. Okay, that's enough of that. Yeah, Wish is an interesting place. If you guys have ever bought anything from there, let me know how it turned out for you. Because my experience was like half good. Before I end this video, I wanted to give a shout out to Ultra Nox. They've been commenting some really nice things on my videos. And yeah, it just made my day. So you're awesome. Okay, so that's it for my Wish experience review video thing. I am really bad at outros, so bye.